So if you're looking for a small, compact, powerful fan, I mean, this definitely works for you. When you do receive it, you do have a lanyard here that you can go ahead and attach to each point right here if you want to. Just hang it around your neck. Also, it does come with a charging cord. You're going to go ahead and put it in here. It does have a runtime up to 13 hours. Last night I was actually setting it on my desk. I just leave it like that. I actually had it setting on setting number 1 because there are 5 settings. So the buttons is right here. When you turn it on, you're going to see it's going to leave you a battery level and then also the speed too. So as you keep pressing that, it's going to go all the way up to the max. And I mean, to me, that is plenty of power because it doesn't weigh much. It's right around 7 ounces. I like that the head is flexible. So depending on how you're using it, whether you want to hold it by hand, set it on a desk or something like that, you can definitely pour it to you without any issues whatsoever. And then also the build quality. It does feel really nice. We've got more like a honeycomb shape here on the back side, and you can see the blades there. I mean, it's not just 2 or 3 blades. We've got quite a few there, and it really moves that airflow really well. And then when I'm pressing it, let me put up here number 5. I mean, that's blowing pretty good. I like that. This way, if I'm out and about, especially if I'm waiting in line somewhere, doing outside, sometimes I'm waiting in line at an amusement park, or I'm going to a game to see my grandson play the baseball. I can go ahead and use this and definitely keep me cool. And this is something, of course, you can just throw in your backpack or even in a purse too. Hope you found this review helpful.